Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to connect Zeely ads with Facebook Business Manager so you can seamlessly manage your ad campaigns across both platforms and improve your marketing results. First, start by logging into your Zeely account. Once you're inside, head over to the Ads dashboard where you manage all your campaigns. Look for the Settings or Integrations tab. This is where you link external services like Facebook Business Manager. Next, select the option to connect to Facebook Business Manager. You will be redirected to Facebook's login page. Here, enter the credentials for the Facebook account that has access to your Business Manager. Make sure this is the correct account because it controls your ad assets. Once logged in, Facebook will ask you to authorize Zeely to access your Business Manager data. This permission is necessary so Zeely can retrieve your ad accounts, campaigns, and audience information to sync everything properly. After you authorize, Zeely will display a list of Facebook ad accounts tied to your Business Manager. Select the ad account you want to link with Zeely. This step is important because it tells Zeely which accounts to pull data from and where to send new campaigns. Once linked, Zeely will begin syncing your campaigns, audiences, and performance metrics with Facebook Business Manager in real time. This integration allows you to manage your ads more effectively, combining Zeely's AI-driven ad creation and targeting tools with Facebook's powerful advertising infrastructure. Additionally, you can now use Zeely to create ads that automatically optimize for Facebook's platform, including budget adjustments and audience targeting based on the data from your Business Manager. Connecting these platforms helps you streamline your ad management workflow, save time, and make better data-driven decisions to boost your ad performance. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.